Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Students, in this lecture we'll be discussing about the author of the story Kabuliwala, and the author is Rabindranath Tagore. Now let's discuss about the important works and about the life of Rabindranath Tagore. Now, Rabindranath Tagore, he has written a very popular Bengali short story that we'll be discussing. Okay, we will be discussing in the next lectures, and the name of this story is Kabuliwala. Okay, so he has written this story in Bengali, and after that, the book was translated into English and many more other languages also. Now, Rabindranath Tagore is a Bengali writer, poet, song composer, and noble owner for literature. So many titles are attached to this person. He was born on 7th May 1861 and he was died in 1941. Okay, so he was born on 7th May 61 in Kolkata, India, and died on 7th August. He got the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali in 1913. His popular books and songs are Gitanjali, Gora, okay, Ghare Bere, Jan Gan Man, Ravindra Sangeet, Amar Sonar Bangla, etc. He wrote many popular short stories and articles. Now, और इनके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में बात करते हैं. लाइक दिस इज जस्ट द जिस्ट विच यू हैव जस्ट रेड. Okay, now as you all know he wrote novels, essay, short stories, okay, then your dramas, and he has composed 2230 songs. Okay, so and they are titled as Ravindra Sangeet. Okay, 2230 songs जिनको रविंद्र संगीत कहा जाता है. And he was a great painter also. His paintings were exhibited throughout Europe. Okay, however, he is celebrated mostly for his poetry, but though he was a painter also, but he is well known for his poetry. Okay, now he wrote poetry as an 8-year-old, when he was just 8 years old, and his first volume of poem that was released when he was 16. So you can make out ki how small he was when he got so much recognition. So two of his composition were chosen by two countries as their national anthem. That also you are familiar. That is Bangladesh में, that is Amar Sonar Bangla, and India में Jan Gan Man. That is the composition of Rabindranath Tagore only, and he became the first non-European also to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his book of poems Gitanjali. Okay, so he was awarded Nobel Prize for his credible work, that is Gitanjali. In 1915 the British crown granted Tagore a knighthood. Now knighthood होता है टाइटल देना या कोई रैंक देना. सो ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनको 1950 में एक knighthood, he has given him a rank. He renounced it after the 1919 जलियांवाला बाग मैसेक्री. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने रिटर्न कर दिया था आफ्टर दिस जलियांवाला कांड. नाउ इन 1901 he established an ashram and an experimental school in Shanti Niketan. Tagore is not only considered the most outstanding creative artist of modern India, but he is also valued as an influential world citizen. So he has a great influence on the whole world. It's not only India he got recognition, but all over the world he got recognition. Okay, and who introduced the best Indian culture to the West and vice versa. So he only introduced the Indian culture to the West and the Western culture to India. So he is credited for this also. So this is all about the author of this story, that is your Kabuliwala. Okay, hope you all have liked it and you have got much information about it. So this is all, student. Thank you everyone.